Hey students, Mr. Rock here with yet another attempt to try to explain how to access some of the course materials that you need to access throughout the semester. We're going to talk about math assignments that are uploaded to Schoology, and then how to find resources to help you through those on creatormath.weebly.com. So we are in lms.lausd.net, and maybe just to show you that one more time, let's do this. So if you're out on Google, here's what you'd type: lms.lausd.net. Now for me, it logs me straight in. You're going to have to log in, and it's logging me straight in because I'm already logged in. And my browser is going to be a little bit different here, but let's go to what grades look like for me, for students, and then the assignments where they show up on mine. They're going to show up a little bit differently on yours. So here's a math assignment in Schoology. See this one here, surface area of spheres practice. Here's another one, circle practice. So let's bring up circle practice. Pretend I'm a student. I'd click on this assignment. I would say start new attempt. Here's the assignment. Now, on this one, the graphics are showing up. And I'm telling you, Schoology is a random event. Well, there we go. There it's loading. Schoology can be quite random. It'll sometimes bring up graphics, and sometimes it won't. I don't have any consistent pattern to explain why it will and why it won't. I'm just assuming it's a connectivity issue. But a lot of times, these graphics are going to be broken. So what do? We still need to take the assignment. Well, this is circle practice, right? So this is a geometry class, and if you're in geometry, you're going to click on the geometry tab. Oh, and let's just go back again. Let's go out to Google. Let's pretend we're starting over. Type in creator, math, and see what you find. Let's see what we find. Yeah, I don't know if I can find it that way, right? So I might go back and do Creator Math. What if I type in Mr. Rock? I'm kind of curious. Creator Math, Mr. Rock. Oh, look at that. It pops up first. So some way search for it. Creator Math, Mr. Rock got me here. CreatorMath.com, the first listing, which is shocking because Google's got a lot of things going on. So click this. Now we're into the home page. You know it's my site because it's got my goofy picture. There's all explanation here on how to do your composition book, etc. But we're not focusing on that now. There's other videos on that. We're going to click into the geometry tab because we're in a geometry class and this is a geometry assignment. We're going to scroll down to the semester we're in, and this might be different depending on what you're looking at and which assignment. So please pay attention to that for your particular situation. Then I'm down here. I've got this one. Circles, angles, arcs. So circles might be a little bit hard to find because it's so generic. It's such a short title, so other titles will be easier to find. But notice I found it here. I know what I'm looking for, and I know if I've been in the class, we went through surface area, we went through these other circles, angles, arcs, we went through probability, we went through volume, we went through special right triangles, we went through trig, right? So I know where I am in the class. It's not like I'm just checking in for the first day, all right? And if you are, let me know. That'll be a different issue to solve because that could be you. All right, but here we are down at conic circle. So this matches circle practice and circle right here. So what I'm going to do is there's notes. This is the notes that go in your comp book. Okay, you'll put that in your composition book. That explains how to do these assignments. There's also for circle, there's also a generic problem set. If you want to print these out and solve these without looking at the answers, you'd print this out. And here they are. They're just the problems that you see here. And it's got the graphics. So notice if the graphics were broken on the left, I have them on the right. But I would propose to you the best thing to do is go straight for the video. Okay, got hung up a little bit right there for 60 seconds or whatever, but let's go straight for the video solution. Right, this one was made specifically for you to track through every problem on this set right here, have the graphics, and have me explaining it as if we're in class on the board or what have you, right? I have a video for every single assignment I'm ever going to give you, at least at this making of this video, that's true. And you can't hear the sound right now, I've got it muted, but you'll be able to go ahead and watch this video. Right? And I'm going to walk you through how to do each and every one of these. And I'm even going to show you what the right answers are. So how much you learn, and how it depends on how many notes you take and how many of these you practice without looking at the solution, right? That's going to be up to you. I explain a lot of things about how to find this. The notes, I go through the same thing. So a little bit of a startup here. I'm now on the first problem, explaining some background. I don't go through all the notes, but I go through the ones that are relevant to the problems we're doing. So here we have, see how the answer to, let me mute this now again. Alright, so now we see the answer to a double cone attached end to end. So double cone end to end. I literally give you the answers for each of these. So yeah, I hear what you're saying. You can go through and solve all these and get 100% on them. That's true. The next number 2 is circle. I get it. But what you really want to do is watch the video, pay attention, and put these in your comp book like you're required to do. Right? And that way, when we go through the problem sets, you've had a full solution. I just feel it's unfair to give you a problem and not give you full solutions, right? What if you can't do this? Then you're just stuck in the water. So you have full solutions, and also sometimes these graphics don't load, so now you have a way to find the graphics, right? So that's it. You're just going to make sure to match up the name of the assignment, circle practice here, with this one that says conics circle practice here, right? As long as those two things are matched, you will be watching the correct video for the correct assignment. And just to show one more time, go back this way. Let's go back through another one. Let's go to that second, leave this. Do it one more time while we're on here. Go back this way. Gradebook, here we go. Here we are. So we did circle right here. Here's the next assignment, surface area, right? What you do is start attempt. Here's the problems. And once again, when I'm doing the video, the graphics are loading, but trust me, they're not going to load for you. Okay, they're going to say a broken image here, and I don't know why, you guys. And so here we are right here. Surface area of spheres matches up with surface area of spheres. So I'm going to match the two, watch the video on the right. And what I've done is got two different windows running here. If this isn't familiar to you, so this will start to play, and again, it will show you how to do all the problems for this problem set and the graphics, right? But let's say you don't know how to open. I think if you go down here, you click New Window. See this New Window command? Say New Window. There's a new one. And then I can adjust the size, you guys. So I'm adjusting it so that, right, I can make it full screen, or I'm going to make it half the screen. And I'm going to go back and do another new window. New window. Okay, let's move it over here. So two windows side by side, right? On one, I'm going to bring up the lms.lausd.net. Boom. I'm going to go into my class. Let's see, courses. Into my class. You're going to do it a little bit differently, but yours basically looks like this. You're going to click grades on the left. I'm going to click gradebook. And here's where I'm going to find my assignments. Then over on the right here, I'm going to bring up Creator Math. CreatorMath.com, right? I'll just go directly to it. A little bit easier search this time. I'm going into geometry because it appeared once. Geometry class in this case of this illustration. I'm going to find the assignment. Let's go find another one. Here's a couple more surface areas, but we got to be specific, so we'll just follow the title. We're going to start this assignment. I guess I'm trying to get one to come up where the graphics don't come up. Come on. I'm telling you guys, this is the way your life goes. I'm trying to show you them broken, and you're going to see them broken, and now they're showing the graphics. Okay, surface area, hexagonal prisms. Let's go down to surface area unit. Here we go. Surface area. Here's the unit, right? And this one is hexagonal prisms. So here we go here. There's the right one. So I'm going to start this video, and that'll show me how to do each and every one of these problems. And that way I can at the very least get 100% on all the assignments. How much I learn now remains